Alright, let's talk about something very important in Azure storage. Many beginners think a storage is a storage. What's the difference? But here's the truth. If you choose the wrong storage tier, your Azure bill increases automatically even if your data is small. That's why Azure give us different storage tiers. In this video, we will understand hot tier, cool tier, archive tier using this PPT step by step with very simple and real examples. No confusion, no heavy cloud terms. Let's start. Azure storage tiers are not different storage accounts. It's the same storage, but different pricing based on usage. Azure simply asks one question. How often will you access this data? Based on that answer, you choose the tier. More access, more cost. Less access, less cost. That's the main idea. Meet the hot tier. Hot tier is for data you use very frequently. Think about your mobile phones, photos you see daily, WhatsApp images, apps you open every day. That data must open instantly. That's exactly what hot tier is. Hot tier means data access daily, fastest performance, highest storage cost, lowest read cost. Examples from real life: website images, application files, current month reports, live dashboard. If data is used again and again, hot tier is the best choice. Meet the cool tier. Cool tier is for data you don't use daily. Maybe once a month, maybe once in 2 months. Think about your laptop downloads folder. You don't open it every day, but you don't want to delete it either. That's cool tier. Cool tier, lower storage cost than hot, higher read cost, slightly slower access. Examples like last month data, old invoices, backup files, previous reports, used sometimes, not always. Meet the archive tier. Archive tier is for data you almost never touch. Think about like college certificates, old tax documents, legal papers. You don't open them, you just keep them safe. Archive tier, cheapest storage, very slow access, retrieval may take hours. Example: compliance data, old CCTV footage, historical records, perfect for long term storage. Quick comparison: like hot tier, access frequent, cost is high, speed is very fast. Cool tier, access infrequent, cost medium, speed medium. Archive tier, access rare, cost very low, speed slow. Simple memory trick: hot today, cool sometimes, archive keep safely. So real life example. Imagine customer data. Current month customers data will go into hot tier. Last 6 month customers data goes in cool tier. Old closed customers goes in archive tier. Same data, different tiers. This is how company save cloud cost. How to choose? Ask this question. How often do I access this? Like daily or hourly? Then I will go with hot tier. Monthly, cool. Yearly or never, archive. Do I need instant access? Yes, then go with hot or cool tier. No, archive. Is this current data? Current month, hot tier. Last 3 6 month, cool tier. Over 1 year, archive tier. Is it for compliance? Legal or regulatory storage, archive. Cheap plus meet requirements. So start with hot, for new files, move to cool after 30 days, move to archive after 1 year. Azure can do this automatically using lifecycle rules once configured, no manual work. Let's quickly revise. Hot tier frequently accessed, cool tier occasionally accessed, archive tier rarely accessed, right tier less bill, wrong tier high bill. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will see this practically inside Azure portal, how to upload data and choose a storage tiers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.